Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Aquarius. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Aquarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that reading. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Nine of Moons in reverse, Page of Suns in reverse, and Empress in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. So today in your circumstance, guys, there is a person who is really concerned about you, who has good intentions, or who has a power over you. Maybe they are your good friend for a long time. You have known them. It may be your mentor, your sibling, or someone you respect who holds an important place in your life. So this person is trying to dominate you in some ways. Maybe when you're making some important decisions, they are trying to suggest you certain things, or they want to listen to their ideas maybe, and you feel that they are controlling you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you because you cannot leave them out. You have that respect over them and you want to listen to them, but the things they are suggesting is quite difficult for you to follow, to do actually in your situation. So that is what is creating lot of difficulties for you. It may be in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship, guys. And I also see that in your situation today, guys, maybe in your relationship or in your work, you feel that you cannot trust anybody. You feel that you have no one to trust, and this person we were speaking about, so they are quite dominating and controlling, and what they are suggesting you are certain things that you cannot follow. So it may be someone who does not like this person you love, maybe, if this is the case with your relationship. So they are trying to influence you against this person you love. So they are speaking some things, maybe trying to change your mind or spoil your mind with lies. Maybe they are trying to gossip, or trying to lie about this person you love, and they are trying to change your mind with those lies because they do not like this person. So that may be the reason for their behavior, guys, in such a way. And also, Aquarius, today you need to be really careful. Maybe you may be pushed to that extent that you may blurt out what is truly in your mind. Maybe you don't want to listen to this person. You are really irritated and frustrated by your circumstance, or by this person trying to dominate you in everything. So you may, out of that frustration, you may speak certain words that are the truth of your heart. But the best thing to do is today, guys, you need to be silent, Aquarius. So to avoid any more further difficulties in your situation, you should not speak truth. You must be silent. That is what I see, guys. With these cards, let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 10 of Stars. So with this card in your situation, guys, this may be what you feel about this person, or what they feel about you. So maybe today there are some disappointments for you guys. maybe certain things, maybe this person may find out what is happening, that someone is trying to separate you both, and there may be some arguments or fights, some disappointments in your relationship today, guys. So that is what I see, and there may be sadness for some of you in this relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Four of Spheres. So with this card for your career situation, guys, today you have an opportunity coming your way. Maybe there may be some kind of success today in your life, and you are maybe helping people with your talent, skills, or it may be a financial help. So that is what I see with these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So this card just means that there is a divine timing working in our situation, guys, working in our life, and we need to understand that whatever is happening in our life, we should let go of the need to shape each and every moment according to our expectation, knowing that what is ours will always be ours, and there is no need for us to worry, no need for us to make a lot of efforts for that, because what is destined to be ours will always be ours. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So the same way in our relationship, we have a particular cycle, guys, each and every one of us, just like the cycle, the physical cycle of our body, it has a particular productive cycle. The same way our love, whatever is preordained, cannot change. So everything has its season, and at the appropriate timing the right relationship will come towards us, and we will be in we should just be ready to receive it, nurture it, and enjoy it at that time, at that right time. And we need to understand that this clock is eternal and it ticks according to the beating of our heart, guys. And the love that is destined to be with us will always be on the right time, and we need not worry, guys. So at the right appropriate timing, everything will be ours and we can relax and no need to worry. So maybe in your life today, you are expecting certain things and you are worried that you are losing time. Maybe right now you just have to relax, just see what is going on in your present life and be happy for what is happening today and be content with that, because at the appropriate timing whatever you expect will come true, but you need to just wait, guys. That is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it is cooperate. So with this card, it just means that we have to be more cooperative. We have to have that sense of community in our life, guys. So at times of difficulty, we always work with people, we cooperate selflessly, and we help to build our family and community. And when we work with people, it helps us to go over the differences we have with each other. It helps us to build bridges where there was only division in our life. So, the same way in your relationship today, maybe it is time for you to cooperate with this other person. Maybe guide them or help them out in whatever way possible. You need to work together as a team, encourage each other's skills and talents, and work together, so that way great things can be achieved in your life for you. And when you work together, when you put both your strengths together, you become a very strong team, and you are able to find better solutions for yourself. And when you work together with this other person in this relationship, maybe you are having some troubles in this connection, you want to change the way things are, you need to go for this attitude, guys. Work towards that problem to solve it together with both of you giving inputs, so that way you will be able to find a better solution for the troubles you are facing in your relationship today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose the second card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.